Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to crochet headband. I have free written pattern for size that I'm making, which is size adult woman medium. It's available on my blog, and I also have different sizes, which is size adult woman small to adult woman large. I will put the link in description below. It's available on my Etsy shop. I hope you enjoy. For this project, I'm using Patons Alpaca Blend from Yarn Operations. This is 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, and 155 yards. And this is the color. This is size bulky 5. This is my first time working with this yarn. It's very interesting yarn. And I buy a lot of that. Different color though. And crochet hook size 6mm. You will need scissors and yarn needle. Let's get started. Okay, first I'm gonna make slip knot. And then make 52 chains. Make sure you make your chain loosely, okay? This 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will meet you guys when you have 52 chains. Now I have 52 chains, and then we're gonna half double crochet into the second chain from hook, but I'm gonna insert into the little bump on the back of each chain stitch. If you want to go to normal chain stitch, you can do that as well. So I skip one chain stitch and then half double crochet into the next chain stitch. But I'm gonna yarn over, insert the hook into the little bump on the back of the second chain. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. This is first half double crochet. We're gonna do that again, yarn over, insert the hook into next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through. Now we have 2 half double crochet. You're just gonna keep making 1 half double crochet into each chain stitch across. So yarn over, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through. So this is row 1. So I want my row 1 to be the wrong side. If you want your row 1 to be the right side, it's totally up to you. And I will meet you guys when you come to the end of row 1. I'm in the end of row 1 and I have 51 half double crochet stitches. And then row 2, you're gonna chain 1. The chain 1 never count as a stitch. And you're gonna turn, or you can turn first and chain, doesn't matter. And then we're gonna make half double crochet into the front loop of each stitch. So half double crochet is have 3 loops. You have front loop, you have middle loop, and back loop. Usually we go into the middle loop and back loop. So this is front loop, okay? Like I said, usually we go this into middle loop and the back loop here, this V. See, usually we go there, but this time we're just gonna go into the front loop only. Okay, so we're gonna make half double crochet into the first front loop right here. Yarn over, insert the hook into the front loop. See, we leave this V, we're not gonna crochet in there. Pull up a loop, you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through. Do that again with next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into next front loop. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through. Keep doing that. Yarn over, insert the hook into next front loop. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through. See, that's what it looks like. That is middle loop and back loop. It looks like a V. Okay. You're just gonna keep making 1/2 double crochet into each front loop. Okay, so next stitch should be this one, and then next stitch should be this one, next stitch should be this one. Alright, keep making that till you come to the end of row 2, and I will meet you guys there. I'm in the end of row 2, but I haven't made the last front loop half double crochet yet. Okay, it's difficult to see. Sometimes you have to turn to the front so you can see the V here. So the front loop should be this one. Okay, so I'm gonna yarn over, insert the hook into the last front loop, last stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through, and then on the end of row 2 I have the same 51 half double crochet stitches. So I want you guys to count your stitches every row so you don't increase or decrease by accident. I'm just gonna show you guys this side. That's what it looks like. That's V, that is the middle loop, and the back loop that we not crochet into. Okay, so now row 3 to row 8 we're gonna repeat row 2, which is chain 1 and turn, and make the same half double crochet into each front loop. Right here, yarn over, insert the hook into the first front loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, insert the hook into the next front loop, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through. That's what it looks like. You're just gonna keep repeating that. Like I said, we just repeat row 2. Okay, just want to show you guys what this look like. You're gonna keep repeat row 2, 1/2 double crochet into each front loop till you come to the end, and then don't forget the last stitch. And then you're gonna chain 1 and turn and start row 4. So keep making that till you have 8 rows, or if you want your headband to be taller, you can make more than 8 rows. If you want it shorter, you can make less than 8 rows. Okay, but for me I make 8 rows, and I will meet you guys back in when I come to the end of row 8. Now I have 8 rows, that's what it looks like, and I'm in the end of row 8. Oops. Okay, after I make the last stitch, I just gonna cut the yarn and I leave the tail about 10 inches, just enough to sew the headband together. And I pull out the yarn. And now, like I said, I want my row 1 to be the wrong side, and I'm gonna sew the wrong side together. And you can choose your own side as well. So this is gonna be my wrong side. This is gonna be my right side. Okay, you can choose your right side or wrong side, doesn't matter. So this is my this is my right side, and I'm gonna fold the right side facing each other, and then I'm gonna sew into the wrong side. You can use any method you like. I'm just gonna use my yarn needle and then sew it together. I'm just gonna insert into the first stitch here, and then pull up a loop and go out into that stitch. Insert into next stitch here, and the next stitch there. Make sure when you sewing, you're not sewing too tight. You're gonna keep sewing that, but make sure the end of each row is lined up like that, okay? Not like that. You want to be like this, okay? Keep making that till you reach the end, and I will meet you guys there. Now I reach the end here. I just gonna tie those tails together. One more time. And then just hide the tail. So this is my wrong side. I'm just gonna hide my tail into the wrong side. Okay, and just trim the tail, and you're gonna do this tail exactly the same. Hide this tail and make sure it's secure, and then trim the tail, and you're done. See, that's what it looks like. This is the right side. So this is my first time working with this yarn, and I loved it. It's really beautiful color. They have a lot of different beautiful color. And I don't use the whole ball, not even half. That's what I have left. I still making the hat out of that. Okay, congratulations. I hope you enjoy making this project. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next video. Bye bye.